Students, in this video we are going to discuss about the Nernst equation. We have already studied the standard reduction potential for the electrode. So in the case of standard reduction potential, we know that what is the condition? The concentration of the ions is always taken as 1 molar. The temperature is taken as 298 Kelvin and the pressure is taken as what? It is taken as 1 atmosphere. So in the case of standard reduction potential, these three conditions are to be followed so that only we can say that the electrode is in a standard reduction potential, or we say the standard reduction potential. But if the concentration is not equal to 1 molar, or we say that if there is a variation in the concentration of the ion, the temperature is not 298 Kelvin and the pressure also varies, then the electrode is no longer in standard reduction condition, or we can say that non-standard reduction potential is there. So the electrode potential changes with the variation in the concentration of the ion. Alle concentration 1 molar alla idella maarumbol endayirikkum electrode potential changes with the variation in the concentration of the ion. So this quantitative relationship between the concentration of the ions and the electrode potential is represented by our which equation? It is represented by the Nernst equation. Hope now it is clear. What do you mean by Nernst equation? What is Nernst equation? If the change in the concentration or from the change in the standard reduction condition, when the change in the concentration of ions take place, what happens? The electrode potential also changes and it is represented by the Nernst equation. Let us see a general electrode reaction. So in this case, we are considering a general electrode reaction, and the reaction that we are considering is what reaction? It is a reduction reaction. So for a general electrode reaction, we can represent, since it is a reduction reaction, we are representing it as a metal M is getting reduced, Mn plus is getting reduced to a metal. So according to the Nernst equation, the electrode potential can be written as, how we are representing the electrode potential? It is represented like this. The electrode potential is represented as the standard reduction potential plus RT by NF ln Mn plus molar concentration of M, where we say that E Mn plus by M is the, what it is that? It is our electrode potential. It is our electrode potential, and E0 Mn plus by M or E0 cell, it is our standard, what is that? Standard reduction potential. It is our, how we are calculating the standard reduction potential? We have already learned in the electrochemical series with respect to our standard hydrogen electrode. R is what? 8.314 joule Kelvin inverse mole inverse. T is obviously our temperature, and now what is Mn plus molar concentration of? It is the molar concentration of ions, and what is M? It is the molar concentration of the metal. Now what term is left? N. What is N? N is the number of electrons gained. What is N? N is the number of electrons gained. What is the number of electrons? Here you can see. For example, if we take the case of zinc, Zn plus 2E gives Zn. What is the value for N here? The value for N is 2 here. Similarly, what is Mn plus molar concentration of iron is what? Zn 2 plus bar. And what is molar concentration of metal? It is zinc, Zn. And again one more term is there, that is F, which represents, what is F here? F, yes, it is Faraday, which is represented as 96500 coulombs. Now, substituting all this value, that it be our equation 1. Substituting all these values in equation 1, we can get the electrode potential is now represented as EMN plus M plus convert it into logarithm. So, we will get 2.303 RT by NF log Mn plus by M. We have converted into logarithm or substituting this value. What is the value for R? 8.314. T is 298. F is 96,500 and whatever it may be in the reaction. But here, since we are considering a general electrode reaction, we are taking it as N. So, on solving, we will get E0, that is our standard reduction potential, plus 0.059. How we are getting? By substituting this value. N log molar concentration of ions by molar concentration of the metal. Or we can say, for any general electrode reaction, the Nernst equation can be represented as E reduction. Why we are writing it reduction? Because we already say while applying Nernst equation, electrode potential is always taken as what? It is taken as reduction potential. So, E0 reduction plus 0.059 by N log, what we can write it in another way? We can write it as the oxidized state, molar concentration of oxidized state by molar concentration of the reduced state. മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ ഇതെങ്ങനെ ഓക്സിഡൈസ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ് കാരണം Mn പ്ലസ് അതാണ് നമ്മുടെ മോളാർ കോൺസെൻട്രേഷൻ ഓഫ് ഓക്സിഡൈസ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ്. അത് റിഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് എന്താവുന്നത് M. അതാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് എഴുതിയത്? ഓക്സിഡൈസ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ് ബൈ റിഡ്യൂസ്ഡ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ്. സോ വി ക്യാൻ apply this general electrode reaction in case of Nernst equation for our any type of problems. Let us see a question. What is the electrode potential of Mg2 plus Mg electrode in which the concentration of Mg2 plus is given? The value for C is given. E0 Mg2 plus by Mg is the standard reduction potential for magnesium is also given. So, we are asked to find out the electrode potential. How to find out the electrode potential? The electrode potential we have already written as E electrode potential is equal to standard reduction potential plus, according to Nernst equation, it is 0.059 N. What is that? Log Mn plus molar concentration of Mn plus by Mn, or we can also write it as, what is that? Molar concentration of oxidized state by molar concentration of the what state? Molar concentration of the reduced state. So, before that, we know we have to represent the general electrode reaction. What is the electrode reaction? Magnesium has been reduced to Mg2 plus has been reduced to Mg. So, we can write it as Mg2 plus 2 electrons gives what? It gives Mg. Now, we have to see, we are given the molar concentration of Mg2 plus is given how much? It is 0.01 molar. Now, what about the molar concentration of the reduced form or Mg? You can see that here it is an aqueous and it is solid. So, for pure solids or liquids or gas, the molar concentration is always taken as 1 or it is always taken as unity. Remember that. What is that? For solid phase, the molar concentration is taken as, for pure solid case, the molar concentration is taken as 1. So, that is why we will be substituting it as 1. Now, substituting in our equation, we will get, what is this E reduction? It is the electrode potential for, it is the electrode potential of Mg2 plus by Mg equal to, how much the value is given? Minus 2.36 plus, what is that? 0.059 by, what is the value for N? You can see the value for N is 2. സോ 2 log എന്താണ് 0.01 by 1. So we can directly write it as, what is that, 0.01. So on solving we will be getting minus 2.428 volt. എത്രയായിരിക്കും കിട്ടുക? മൈനസ് 2.428. ഇത്രയും കാര്യങ്ങൾ നേൺസ്റ്റ് ഇക്വേഷൻ മനസ്സിലായി എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ അടുത്ത വീഡിയോയിൽ നേൺസ്റ്റ് ഇക്വേഷൻസിൻ്റെ ഇനിയും പ്രോബ്ലംസ് നമുക്ക് ചെയ്യാം.